情况下？
现在没有来，他是上次有2个单牌没有印上，就是让他重新印，那就这2个地方。
开始吧。
2个单牌效果没印上。
好。你现在这个新单词是哪里哦？是几吧？
就这2个地方。
哦。
我们印刷厂的版出错了。
哦。Hello, good morning. Hello, welcome guys. Hello, hi. This is Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Raquel Fireworks. This is my colleague Eve.
Hello guys, this is Eve.
This is my colleague Seven.
Hello, I'm Seven.
So today is the 5th day of our live streaming. We would like to introduce some information about fireworks, about our company, about our products, and about our Raquel. So welcome guys, thank you for joining us today. Thank you ES, thank you Truth Always, thank you Hovia, hello Marin, hello Buddy, hello Mickey, hello A4 Farms, hello Marvin, hello Ellen, hello Golf. Thank you guys for hello visitor 14th. So thank you guys for joining us. Hello King Pro Play, hello Kim, hello Mir, hello, thank you guys. Hello MOC, hello Gabriel, hello MC. So this is Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Raquel Fireworks. Good morning from China and best regards to all of you. Tell me where you from. Gregory, welcome. Hello Percy, welcome. Hello Matt, hello Mark. Welcome guys, thank you for joining us today. This is Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Raquel Fireworks. We are the direct factory for fireworks, and we will be so happy to introduce more information about our company, about our factory, about our products. Thank you for your likes, and welcome to share our live streaming to your friends. And today we would like, hello, this is Summer from Happy Family Fireworks. Welcome guys, good morning from China, tell me where you're from. And today we will introduce some information about our company, factory, and our products. My name is Summer, we are the Happy Family Fireworks, and Raquel is our top quality line, and we own a good quality factory. And thank you, Nazari. Where are you from? So I can check how can give you the catalog, and if you will go to the Nuremberg in January, then you are welcome to get one from our booth. Hello guys, thank you, welcome. Hello Frank. Hello, Italy. Okay, so maybe you can contact with our distributor in Italy, Pyro Magic, so we can. Oh yes, and we will also have a international fireworks fair in March, so you can get from Italy fair. How can I buy in Germany? And okay, welcome. Thank you, Anne, for your question. You can get our Raquel products in Germany through our distributors. We have 3 different distributors in Germany, AP Fireworks, and Roda Hero Products. So welcome to get from our distributor in Germany, or leave your message of your email so we can email you the contact information, okay? Thank you guys for joining us. Hello, Sophora. Hello. If you have any question, number 1, Raquel. Oh, thank you, Alex. You are the best. Thank you for your comments. Where are you from? Have you tried any of our Raquel items, Alex? Number 1, Beach. Thank you very much for your good comments of our Raquel items. Raquel is our top quality line from our Happy Family factory. All the items is made in our own factory. And today I will be so happy to show you our new catalog and the best production. Thank you very much for your comments. Alex, have you tried any of our products of Rakio and where are you from? Welcome, Nadrio. Welcome. Thank you, guys. Hello, Kirk. Welcome. This is Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Rakio Fireworks, and thank you for joining us today. Today we would like to introduce our top quality line, Rakio, and we would like to introduce some information about our products and. 那个人写的外语。Welcome, Alex, but I don't understand. What did you say? Oh, so you're from Italy, Alex, right? Hello, SB Blog. 网络可以吗？ Hello, welcome, guys. So today I would like to introduce some information about our company and the factory. We are the Happy Family Fireworks, and we have our own factory for making top quality fireworks. And we have been exporting to Europe and the US and other markets for 20 years. I have been working here for more than 13 years. Delma, thank you. And we have been doing the private labels for our customers for many years. And 2 years ago, we started running this Rakio top quality line because we want to show the world and the fireworks lovers with the best fireworks. So we use the best fireworks material to make the best colors and effects. And we also use the most professional workers, which worked for us in our factory for more than 10 years, so we always can do the complicated items with good speed and good effects and also good colors, because we have a very professional team for working together also. So if you have any questions about our Rakio fireworks or importing fireworks from China or any questions related to fireworks, we will be so happy to answer for you. So today I would like to show you our new catalog, Rakio, and if you have any questions, welcome to contact with us at sales at rakiofireworks.com. So I would like to show you what we have. Can I order from Netherlands without permit? Yes. J0108, you can order from Netherlands without permit because our items is 1.4G for consumer. So check with our distributor in Holland, Leslie Fireworks, Leslie. Leslie Fireworks from Holland. You can get all of our Rakio items from them and check with them for more information, okay? And Rakio top quality. Thank you, Alex. Can I order? Okay. So if you have any questions, just ask us. We will be so happy to answer of your questions. So today I would like to introduce some information about our products and So we have a lot of different items from our top quality line. We have battery from category 2, So we have category 2, category 3 from the battery and compound. We will also have the single shot and the single roll, and we will also have this rocket. So I would like to show you our catalog. See, this is the compound Beijing Opera 8. And then you will see the other Beijing Opera series. You can see Beijing Opera 4, 5, and 3. These are all the category 2 compounds. And you also can see here we have Beijing Opera 2, Beijing Opera 6, and 7. If there's any items you want to see the video, we will be so happy to help you. You can see here there are some Beijing Opera 1, and this is a single shot. You can see the name is Gold Song. It's a great effect. Check with the AP Fireworks from Germany, okay? And here we have more items. You can see from here we have wiper, and we have this Central and the Storm, and also we have the General, the Opening Act, and we have Fantastic. All of these are the category 4, category 2, and welcome to get from our distributors in your country. Just tell us where you're from, and then we will be happy to send you the category 2 or category 3. Which item you are asking, Alex? We have both category 2 and category 3 on the cakes and the battery, and we also have the rockets, and also have the single shots. Which item you are asking, please? So we have a lot of different items. You can see these two are the biggest fireworks from our Lucky line. This one is 618 shots. The name is Miraculous, and this is 338 shots. 388 shots is 388 shots with the name Magnificent. So it is available in Europe, in Poland, and okay, perfect. Okay, so if any questions, welcome to contact with us. Okay, welcome, Master. Welcome, guys. Hi from Germany. Hi from China, from Liu Yang, GX Pyro. Welcome, Rabia, hometown. Thank you. Welcome, guys. If you you have any questions about fireworks or about our Rakio, welcome to contact with us. These are two biggest fireworks from our Rakio line. So we have different categories from our catalog, and you can see we have other different like this Tang, Empire, East, Miss World, and the Himalaya, and we also have other items you can see. So Song Dynasty, Peking Opera 100, the Great Wall, and we have a lot of items in our showroom also. So if you want to see the size or anything, just let me know so we can show you the real case, okay? See, this is the Lebella and the Finest and the Prime and the Rakio Beauty. So, Durex and the Marvelous Attraction, and also the Rakio Beauty and the Elegance, Excellence, and the Outstanding. So we have a lot of items for different European countries. Ask for any questions or tell us where you're from so we can send you more information or show you the videos. Okay, so maybe we show you this Dubai video today because this is the most best sellers from our from our Rakio. So let's take a look at the Dubai. Welcome to get it from AP Fireworks in Germany, and it is a top selling #1 is 1884 shots. Okay, let me show you the video. So I hope you will like it. The design is very good. I will show you the case on the here.
放这里还是
可以放那里，我准备给他们看一下这个箱子。So this is the Dubai. I will show you the video also. Okay, wait a second. I put it here. So you can see the video and. Okay, right now here is the box for Dubai, and here is the video. Yes, Dubai. See. 84 shots. And this is 1.4G. So if you will be at Taipei again in 2025, yes, let us know. Yes, we will be there. We will leave China on January 25 and leave on February 3rd. So welcome. You have a workshop. No, sorry, for the fireworks we cannot sell by online. So welcome to check with our distributor. Where are you from? Brazil. So let us welcome to visit our booth at Nuremberg. Thank you guys for your likes and for your sharing our live streaming with your friends and family. Thank you very much for your gifts and for your likes and for sharing our live streaming. So right now, I'm glad to hear that. I'm looking forward to see you there again. Yes, we likes and for your. Okay, so that was the Dubai, and then maybe next one we will show you this finest. HF 1010 So we will show you another one. Is this finest because this one with lots of good comments. So that's why I want to show you where it is. Here. Oh, here. Yes, this is the finest, and this is the good size and good designs also. Okay, you can put it here so you can see. Okay. So this is the finest, and this is category 2. It's 101 shots. Take a look. See the comments. I really love these comments. Wow, so bright. This is the finest. I hope you like it. Over there is the box. The item is really great with the good colors. Thank you for your likes, guys. Welcome, Speakers Hello. Welcome, Smart. This is the measure shower with color valleys. And this is the Mitsubishi with different color valleys rejected. Thank you guys for your likes. Your local Justin. Hello, Andrew. Thank you guys for your likes. And this is our finest from Rakio. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Hello, Astrid. Welcome. How can I order? Check with Leslie Dragic from Holland. Check with Leslie for more information. Okay, so next one, maybe we show you this Labella. This one is the Labella. We will show you this one. Because we always want to make 1 hour live streaming to show you all of our items. The buy it from Netherlands. Check with Leslie for more information, okay? And this Labella is 108 shots. So it's combined with 1 inch and 1.2 inch. So let's take a look. This is category 2 and 1.3 inch. Okay, the Bella. Wow, amazing opening. Thank you, Pedro. I want 2 boxes. Thank you, Albert. Thank you, guys. How to buy. Welcome guys, this is our Labella from our, wow, yes, good jellyfish. Hello guys, welcome, thank you for joining us for our Rakio. Oh, redstone jellyfish. Wow, good find. Nice finale. Leslie. Oh, Leslie is L-E-S-L-I-A. My colleague will help you to answer, okay? So let's see another item. Maybe check this. Ra HF 900腰语. I don't know how to pronounce. Rock curtain or how to say? Wow, this is heavy because with the tubes inside. It's 82 kilograms. Okay, so my colleague will show you the box size and we will have a video here.
Duration 90 seconds.
Yes.
And around 2,000 gram powder.
Okay, so let's go and take a look at the video.
Shorts.
Yes. Okay, so this is I don't know how to pronounce the name. If you guys know, tell me how to pronounce. Brighten. Where can I find that? Check with Leslie. Okay, so this is 98 shots. Or combined is 1.2 inch and category 2 is Where are you from? So we can tell you where to get this information. Emilio, welcome. Hello, Reno, welcome. Hello, Eric. Hello, it's Lucky. So this is our Kryptonite. So next one, we show you this Raku Beauty. HF 要语气，不是11。Okay, so next one, we will show you this Raku Beauty. Yeah. So this is 1.4G, and you can get it from Leslie from Germany and Holland. Welcome. Okay, so right now we take a look of the Raku Beauty. It is 127 shots. The box. It's combined with 1 and 1.3 inch. 127 shots. I got the Belgium. Oh yeah. Oh nice. So check with Dina from Belgium. This is the Raku Beauty. 127 shots is 1.4G. Duration is 35 seconds combined with 1 and 1.3 inch. How do I buy and work? Lucky, where are you from? Can I order randomly? Yes. Welcome you guys to get from our distributor. Tell us where you from. Wow, you want this? Okay, great. The Joker, welcome. Welcome to Leslie. This is 1.4G. Raku Beauty. I'm from the Netherlands. Okay, Redness. Check with Leslie, okay? They have our Raku items. So next one, we will show you the attraction. Oh, here's the attraction. So right now we will show you this 66 shots attraction. Okay, so it's attraction. 1.3 category 2 and 1.4 attraction. I hope you like it. This is the box order with this beautiful packaging in one. Can you already say category 3 will be available in Germany? 这是哪个歌？你知道吧？ So this is our Raku 1.4G attraction. 1.2 inch. Let me check about this category 3 or Aurora. So you guys relax and are from Netherlands. Can I order? Yes. Welcome to order from welcome to get from Leslie. Welcome Lester. This is our Raku attraction. Okay. So next one we will show you 哪个牌的？Sephora 是吧？ Okay, this Sephora rock is the one of my favorites actually. It's a good one. It's 140. Who is Leslie shop? Okay, Leslie is the company. They do the retail and wholesale. Check with their website. Okay, I will ask my colleague Eve to reply you. So right now we will show you this.
刚刚那个 Aurora 有看吗？
有吗？
有视频啊。
Okay, so we will show to Aurora first. Okay, who is Leslie? Leslie is a famous company from Lockbox. Are you still there? We will show you this category 3 Aurora. Sorry. Okay, so 他发的火锅鸡。收到了。So Aurora is sent to Finland already. Check with Paracratia for more information. Wow, that is good jellyfish. Nice. and it's 16 shots, 1.5 inch. Okay, so right now we will shoot this Cytora. 144，So right now we will shoot this one, Cytora, from our top quality line, and I hope you will like it. Actually, this is one of my favorites, and it's a good size of the item. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, this is Cytora. This is a very good comment. Oh, nice effect. Nishiki with different neon dollies. They are so pretty and decent. And this one's joke with the color dollies. Red plum with lemon. Oh, this is in shop of Zina your birthday. 那个比利时买的火锅。We will check if Belgian Zina has this item, okay? I hope the gift so you can get it. And leave a message information. Okay. Transporter Slobodan. And thank you guys. This is the Cytora from our top quality line ratio. It combined with their 0.8 inch, 1 inch, and 1.2 inch. Total is 142 shots. Wow, that's great. Thank you guys for joining us. And the next one, maybe we show you this, which one we should show. So maybe we see this Himalaya hides with this dragon, this phoenix. So the next one, maybe we show you this one, Himalaya hides. And this is 1 inch. So next one, we hope to show you this one, Himalaya hides. So if you have any items you want to see, just let us know. Maybe next one I will show you this God song of this single shot. And we have a lot of items you can see. So next one we will show you this Himalaya hides. Welcome to get from Germany, from Holland and Germany. Okay, this is Himalaya hides. It's 136 shots, 70 seconds. 1 inch and 1.4 G. Wow. Hello, welcome guys. So if you like this Himalaya hides, welcome to check with Leslie for more information. And actually the mass production quality is even better than this.